Have you ever wondered if the power to heal lies within your own hands? Welcome to the fascinating world of Reiki, a Japanese healing technique that invites us to tap into the universal life force energy that pervades all of existence. This energy, believed to be the essence of life itself, is harnessed in Reiki to promote balance, relaxation, and well-being. Reiki, which translates to spiritually guided life force energy, was developed in the early 20th century by Mikao Usui, a Japanese Buddhist. Usui's quest for knowledge and spiritual enlightenment led him to develop this unique method of healing, which has since been passed down through generations and spread across the globe. The purpose of Reiki is not just physical healing, it's a holistic approach that addresses the body, mind, and spirit. It's about fostering balance in our lives, soothing our emotional landscapes, and nurturing our spiritual growth. By channeling this life force energy, we can stimulate the body's natural healing abilities, alleviate stress, and restore harmony in our lives. But what makes Reiki truly unique is that it empowers each of us to become our own healers. It's based on the understanding that we all have access to this universal life force energy. And with the right knowledge and practice, we can learn to tap into this energy and use it for self-healing and personal transformation. In essence, Reiki is about reconnecting with our innate healing power, allowing us to take charge of our well-being and live more balanced and fulfilling lives. It's a journey of self-discovery, self-care, and self-empowerment. And the most beautiful part, this journey begins within each of us, in the palms of our own hands. So, are you ready to unlock this healing energy within? As we delve deeper into the principles and practices of Reiki in the upcoming scenes, we invite you to keep an open mind and heart. After all, the journey to self-healing is as much about unlearning as it is about learning. It's about letting go of what we think we know so we can open ourselves to new possibilities and experiences. It's about rediscovering our innate power and potential. So come along, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. To harness the power of Reiki, understanding its underlying principles is essential. One of the key aspects of Reiki is the 5 principles, or the 5 precepts. These are not just guidelines for practicing Reiki, but they are also a philosophy, a way of life that promotes personal growth and holistic wellness. The first principle, just for today, I will not be angry, encourages you to let go of anger. Anger is a destructive emotion that can block your energy flow. By choosing not to be angry, you open yourself to the healing power of Reiki. The second principle, just for today, I will not worry. It's about releasing anxiety and embracing trust. Worrying can cause stress and imbalance. By letting go of worry, you allow the Reiki energy to flow more freely. The third principle, just for today, I will be grateful, is a call to appreciate the gifts of life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can raise your vibrational frequency, making it easier for you to connect with the universal life force energy. The fourth principle, just for today, I will do my work honestly, emphasizes authenticity and integrity. When you act with honesty, you align yourself with the truth, which can enhance your connection with the Reiki energy. The fifth and final principle, just for today, I will be kind to every living thing, encourages compassion and empathy. Kindness creates a positive energy that can amplify the healing power of Reiki. By embracing these principles, you not only enrich your Reiki practice, but also foster a deeper sense of peace, balance, and harmony in your daily life. They serve as a reminder to live in the present moment, to let go of negative emotions, and to cultivate positive ones. But remember, it's not just about reciting these principles. It's about internalizing them, making them a part of your thoughts, your actions, and your life. And as you do, you'll find yourself opening up to the healing energy of Reiki, experiencing its transformative power in new and profound ways. Remember, these principles are not just rules, but a way of life. Now that we know the principles, how do we practice Reiki? At the heart of Reiki are a few key practices, each designed to open up channels of healing energy. Let's delve into these practices, starting with meditation. Meditation in Reiki is not about emptying the mind, but rather it's about creating a connection with the universal life force energy. It's about grounding yourself in the present moment and opening yourself up to the flow of energy. You can meditate before beginning a Reiki session to clear your mind and prepare yourself to channel energy. Next, we have breathing exercises, another foundational practice in Reiki. These exercises are about more than just taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. They're about connecting with the energy around and within us. By focusing on our breath, we can foster a sense of inner calm and balance. Deep, mindful breathing can help to release tension and stress, making it easier for healing energy to flow. Now, let's talk about the hand positions for self-treatment. Reiki uses specific hand positions to channel energy to different parts of the body. These positions correspond to the body's 7 chakras, or energy centers. You might start by placing your hands over your heart chakra in the center of your chest, or your root chakra at the base of your spine. Each position serves as a conduit for healing energy, helping to restore balance and harmony within your body. It's important to note that these practices are not rigid rules, but guidelines. The beauty of Reiki lies in its flexibility. You can adapt these practices to suit your needs and comfort level. You might choose to meditate for 5 minutes or 50, to focus on your breath for a few moments or a few hours. The key is to listen to your body and follow its guidance. Another crucial aspect of Reiki practice is setting an intention. Before you begin a session, take a moment to set a clear, positive intention. This could be something like, I am open to receiving healing energy, or I release all tension and stress. By setting an intention, you're directing the flow of energy towards a specific goal, amplifying its healing potential. Lastly, consistent practice is key. Like any skill, Reiki becomes more effective with regular practice. Try to set aside a few minutes each day for Reiki, whether it's in the morning to start your day on a positive note, or in the evening to unwind and release the day's stresses. These practices, while simple, can have profound effects on your well-being. In essence, Reiki is about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself and the energy that surrounds you. It's about tapping into your innate healing potential and fostering a sense of inner peace and balance. So, take these practices to heart and embark on your own journey of self-healing and empowerment. So how can beginners start their journey into Reiki? Imagine unlocking the healing power within your hands and using it to restore balance and harmony within yourself. That's the promise of Reiki. and it's a journey that starts with one simple step. To begin your Reiki journey, it's crucial to learn from a Reiki master. This is someone who has mastered the technique and has the ability to transmit the healing energy to others through a process known as an attunement. This attunement is the key that opens the door to the flow of life force energy. During an attunement, the Reiki master will open your energy channels, allowing you to tap into the universal life force energy. This process is often deeply moving and can be a transformative experience. It's the first step in becoming a conduit for this healing energy, and it's an essential part of the Reiki journey. Once you've received your attunement, it's time to start practicing. Like any new skill, Reiki requires regular practice to become proficient. Start by using Reiki on yourself. Each day, take a few moments to place your hands on your body and channel the life force energy. As you do this, you'll begin to feel a warm, soothing sensation. That's the Reiki energy at work. Practicing self-healing is an empowering experience. Not only are you taking an active role in your own wellness, but you're also connecting with a powerful source of healing energy. Over time, you'll find that your ability to channel this energy strengthens, leading to deeper levels of relaxation and well-being. The journey into Reiki may be transformative, but it's also accessible. With the guidance of a Reiki master and regular practice, you'll soon find the healing power of Reiki at your fingertips. Your journey into Reiki starts with a single step. Take that step today and unlock the healing energy within you. We've journeyed through the principles and practices of Reiki, but this is just the beginning. We've explored the power of universal life force energy, the chakra system, and the hand positions for self-treatment. We've demystified Reiki, turning it from an obscure art into an accessible tool for self-healing and empowerment. But the journey doesn't stop here. We invite you to deepen your understanding of holistic healing with our immunological coefficiency diploma. This comprehensive self-healing course is rooted in the principles of mind-body healing. And the best part, we're offering a free version of the diploma exclusively through the link in the video description below. It's an opportunity to further your journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If this video resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative content. The path to holistic wellness and personal growth is within your reach. Embrace it.